So as some of you know, I recently started my first ever cruise contract. I'm a featured singer on a very popular American cruise line, and I realized that I'm going to be, seeing all these beautiful, amazing places and just having a very incredible life experience throughout this contract. And so I wanted to start a vlog, which is what you're watching right now. So hi, welcome. This is the first video. And of course I had to do it in show makeup because time is money, I don't know. But yes, no, this is not my everyday, this is for a show. I have a show in a couple hours, yeah. So I've been on the ship for about a month now, and the first month of working was known to be our install process, and that's when you basically do a lot of training, especially for new hires. You install your shows, you go to tech, you do dress rehearsal. You basically just have the craziest schedule ever, and you're exhausted all the time. But it's so fun. And you get used to cruise ship life. So our first month, our cruises were mainly Alaskan cruises. We would port out of Seattle, and then we would go to Juneau and Skagway, Alaska, and then we would go to Victoria in British Columbia, and yeah, those are our main 3 points. Those were where we ported throughout the cruise. So since the install process was so crazy, unfortunately I didn't have a lot of time to do excursions and all the lovely stuff, but I did use any free time that I could to, get off the ship and explore and walk around the town and go a little shopping and do some hiking and all that fun stuff. Alaska is absolutely gorgeous. So is Victoria, but that's more of like a city. What else? Met some really good people. Oh my god, and one of my favorite acts of the first month, one of my favorite contractors, was an a cappella group. Mosaic, which I've heard of before, but so it was crazy that they came on the ship, and I, told my friends, I was like, a cappella has followed me to the ship life, and I was just so happy. I was geeking out. I was such a fangirl, and they were so nice and so awesome, and I got to jam with them a little bit, at our pub that we have on the ship. Oh, it was so fun, and I have a video of that, so you'll see that. And yeah, just like so much talent on this ship, it's insane. So our two shows, let me talk about that a little bit. Our two shows are, one is The Beautiful Dream, which is like kind of like a musical, and it's a beautiful story. It's about how this man lost his wife when they were early on in their marriage, and his wife kind of talks to him through the grave and like makes him have this dream where he regains hope for himself and his family, and it's a beautiful story. And I play the wife, the mother. And then our second show, it's called Live Love Legs, which is what's on my face right now. I put a wig on, that's why I have braids on. And that's like a Las Vegas style, kind of burlesque-ish, very sexy, very showgirl-esque, and it's so fun. Basically living my pop star dreams. I love it. And so yeah, those are our two shows. I'll try to get videos up soon, because you will not believe the talent in this cast and in this show. Oh my god, it's just, it's incredible. And okay, what else? Yeah, and now our install team is officially gone. Our directors, choreographers, vocal director, costumers, all those people they're gone. So, crazy. So now we're on our own. After rehearsing this for 2 months in Miami and then a month on the ship, now all the people who are leaders are gone. And now we're on our own, so it's exciting. And yeah, scary but exciting. What else? So yeah, that's mainly what I've been up to. Don't want to make this way too long. We're on our way to Hawaii now. We're crossing the Pacific, and we have a bunch of ports around Hawaii on this 10-day cruise. I just want to swim with the sharks. That's what I want. And then after our 10-day cruise, then we have a 19-day crossing to go to Sydney, Australia, and that's our main port for all of our South Pacific and New Zealand cruises for the next, until the next year. Yeah, but that, I'm gonna save that, the crossing and all those experiences, Hawaii and all those islands, for my next vlog, so check it out. And what else? Am I leaving anything out? I probably am. It's just a lot of information. The first month was just like, huh! And here I am now, but getting a breather in. You know, my friend Heidi, I got to talk with her a little bit, my last port in Seattle, and she goes, so what is it like? Do you just feel like did you just enter a different world, you know, being on a ship and all? And I'm like, no, I feel like I entered the world. And I thought about that. I was like, yeah, I kind of did, because I'm meeting, there's people from all around the world on this ship, and it's kind of crazy, and you know, making friends with everybody and just like learning about other people's backgrounds, and just traveling in general. It's the coolest thing in the world. And also, you know, getting to sing, that's fun. Anyway, so that's all I have for my first vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy all the videos. I'm getting better at this. Shoo-wee-wee-wee-wee. Stop it. As many you know, as many of them. Hi, everybody.